welcome back to my channel. I am Muskan, as you all know, and if you're new on this channel, please know that I am Muskan, and I am back here again today with a new video. And I am super duper excited about today's video because today's video is gonna be the biggest haul that I've ever done. And I am super excited about this one because I have got products like from so many brands. I've got products from Biotique, from Himalaya, from Revlon, Cetaphil, so many brands, and this is the biggest haul of all time. And without any further ado, let's start. But like always, I would like to request you all, please like कर दो, subscribe कर दो, share कर दो. It'll be great. And मैं ऐसे hauls और videos और बनाती रहूँगी because it'll motivate me a lot. I'm so excited about today's video. And let me all tell you कि ये haul क्यों बन रहा है and ये products मेरे पास कहाँ से आए, कैसे आए, and what did I do. So I went for an event in Geo World Drive, Geo World Conventional Center, BKC. तो वहाँ पे there was an event, Flipkart Glamour Fest 2024, and I was invited for that, and I had to cover the event. I had to put 2 stories of the event, and they gave me a hamper. But when I entered, there were so many brands in there, and it was like you have to promote those brands and take goodies from the brand, all of that. So I have like got so many goodies. So without wasting any more time, let me show you all what all I've got from Flipkart Glamour Fest. And मेरे जो पर्सनल हैम्पर उन्होंने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को दिया था उसमें मुझे क्या क्या मिला, एंड और दूसरे कौन से ब्रांड्स हैं मेरे पास, दूसरे कौन से ब्रांड्स मिले हैं मुझे. I'm so excited to show it to you all. So let's jump into the video.
I'll just show you Himalaya, Biotique, I got one more from Biotique, Lotus Botanicals, Ardent Kadri perfume, Revlon, Just Herbs, oh my god, yeah, and I guess, yeah, and Cetaphil, and we've got one from Moody Skincare, and Keep It Pure, and Himalaya. I can't even hold it, it's too heavy.
So I'll just show you all what all things I got in this. इनमें क्या है? Some are perfumes, some are makeup kits, some is skincare, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो मैं सब कुछ आपको दिखाती हूँ कि मुझे क्या क्या मिला है. And yeah. Also I'm sorry about annoying neighbors. They are playing music and I can't do anything about it क्योंकि मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती. That's why. But we'll just focus on the PRs that I have got. First thing first, सबसे ज़्यादा aesthetic parcel जिसका था, which is Himalaya. They've like given the best packaging, best products, and it's so too nice. See, first is Himalaya. It's like dark spot clearing range, turmeric face care range from Himalaya. So this box goes
Like this, and they have like face pack, face scrub, face wash, face serum, and scent. Wow, it smells good. And turmeric sheet mask, and there some promotional thing. So that is what Himalaya has given me. And they wanted me to make unboxing video of this box. I'll be making it very soon. So this is what I've got from Himalaya. I'll quickly show everything because there are so many things I have to show, और नहीं तो वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा बन जाएगा, which I don't want. So I'll just quickly tell you all what I got from the brand. And so next is Ardent Kadri perfumes that I got. It's good, it's too good. This is their bag, and it's their 3-month packet that they gave me, and it's like it's worth rupees 2,000. I don't know Himalaya का कितना, I'll have to see, but and it's like a 3 का pack, and yeah, that's it. So this is what I've got from Ardent Kadri.
I'll show you my favorite. And Revlon ka packaging was again very nice. See, look at the bag, it's so aesthetic. I loved the color. I obviously love pink. I'm wearing pink. So Revlon has given this their makeup kit to all the influencers.
So it goes like this. Here you go. So it's their perfumed body spray, kajal, eyeliner, concealer, 3 lipsticks, and their face powder, I guess, loose powder. Yeah. So that's their PR package that they gave me.
Yeah, Revlon. There were more brands. There were Minimalist, there was Ramson perfumes, and so many brands. There was Rexona and so many things. Next is Just Herbs, and Just Herbs maybe like they have given this touch-up kit. I don't know what is it.
I'll just open it for you all. It says it's worth rupees 14.75, but I don't think so it will be. It's worth the same. So it's like a travel touch-up kit, which has, I don't know what all it has. So there's a lipstick in it, Glimmering Cocoa. Second is, it's a perfume, like a mini travel perfume. Third is Plum Rose. What is it? It's not even opening. Again a lipstick. Yeah, it's like very small. And other one is lip and cheek tint in the shade Peachy Coral. So Just Herbs का ये है, and Just Herbs में काजल है. So I'll post review videos also. अभी I'm just showing कि मुझे क्या क्या मिला है. One by one I'll be posting reviews कि Revlon का क्या है, कैसा makeup है, क्या review है, and everything. I'm just showing you all कि मुझे क्या मिला, what all things I got. But reviews I'll be posting after some time. Let me use them. Let me like gather some honest reviews of the products. Then I'll be posting about them. And this eyeshadow palette they have given, it's really cute. Just Herbs has got nice products. I've worked with them before also. They like sent me some their pack of 16 lipsticks and all of that. And also there's a Saptajal, which is their micellar water makeup remover.
These are the things that I got from Just Herbs. Next product is Biotique. So Biotique has given me 2 parcels. First they gave me this one. Then they asked me to make their
some content for their profile. So I did, and they gave me this. And so first they gave me this face scrub. And later on, I'll put the reviews, please give me some time. Later on they gave me this CTM kit from Biotique. It's worth rupees 770, and it has cleanser, toner and moisturizer. And it's a 3-step ritual for flawless skin. That's what the pack says. Let's see. I don't know. I haven't used Biotique much, but I'll just use it and I'll tell you guys the reviews about this brand.
And next up is my favorite, and these smell so nice. Like, oh my god, I just love them. ये तो इसका तो मैं review अभी दे देती हूँ. They are too good. So I've got like 2 cute perfumes from Engage, and this one, Verona, it's just amazing. It's just amazing.
इसको smell करके you'll feel like you're a flower. You'll just feel like you're in a garden. बहुत अच्छा. I love floral perfumes, floral scents. So that's why they gave me 2 of the perfumes, and they wanted me to make some content for their socials, and I did that. So they gave me, one is Femme from Engage, and other one is Verona, and also they gave me this little cute message with a perfume. It's like, be sensational always, which I am. So yeah, these are the 2 cute perfumes that
Engage gave me, and I am so much in love. They smell too good. Verona and Femme. If you like floral scents, these are for you, girl. Next is Lotus Botanicals. They just wanted me to post a story, and they gave me this face serum. I haven't used it. I just used it on my skin, like on my hand. It was little sticky,
but I'm not sure how it is. I'll just use it and then I can tell you all कि actually because it's a skin brightening vitamin C face serum. It says it boosts radiance, helps us reduce pigmentation for all skin types. No preservatives. I don't know. Let's see. Let's try it out. Then like I can review it.
Lotus Botanicals. So next up is Moody. It's a very cool brand.
मुझे काफ़ी इनका पैकेजिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, द एस्थेटिक ऑफ देयर वाइब, आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. So they like gave me this little teeny mini thing. It has a perfume, like a pocket perfume. The brand is Moody and perfume is Citrus Musk. A perfume and a sunscreen. Oh my god, I'll just swatch it right now. I love sunscreen. It's not opening. Oh, it's so light. Guess it's not sticky also. I'll just little bit, but it's very lightweight. Yeah, it's nice. And like I'll just show you everything. इसमें जो है. So it's one is perfume, one is sunscreen, one is moisturizer. There's 7D Hydroburst, 7D Hydroburst moisturizer, and one is this face mist that they have given. It's also travel friendly, really cute.
And main coming to the main part, these are the brands के parcels that which brands have given me. Main जिस event के लिए मैं गई थी वहाँ पे influencers को the event organizers also gave parcels. जैसे जो Flipkart Glamour Fest था वहाँ से भी I've got a big hamper. It says it's worth rupees 4,000 or 5,000, but I guess it's worth more. I don't know, let's check it out. Let's check out इस hamper में क्या है. And if you have used any product, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे products ऐसे which I haven't used. So if like you have used any product, you can let me know in the comment section down below कि ये product कैसा है and how it worked for you. Is it good or is it bad, or it works for what kind of skin and all of that. You can just let me know in the comment section down below. Till the time I'll just start telling you guys what all I've got. So first I'll start with this Pure Essence का body mist. इसको मैंने टेस्ट किया. It smells like rose. Yeah, it's so refreshing and it's.
I am just gonna use it. It smells good. It smells too good. Again, I told you I like floral scents. It's floral. It's Shimmer Body Mist and Diva Dazzle. इसका वो है.
नाम. Other is this Minimalist का moisturizer, niacinamide 0.5% body lotion. I haven't used it. I don't know. I'll just use it and I'll review it. Next up is this Plix
का pineapple depigmentation serum. I have used it. I don't like it. I don't know why, but it's too sticky for my skin. I don't know if it doesn't suit me. It can work for you all. Like this product has worked for my friend, but not for me. So. Other is this Kesh Kanti ka shampoo. They've like come up with a new shampoo. It's a coconut organic milk shampoo. Organic coconut milk shampoo, sorry. Advanced hydration for dry hair. So again, I don't know how it is. If like you have used it, just let me know. Next up is my favorite skin tint from Maybelline. So it's a Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint. And it's like little dark for my skin. It's the color which they have given. It's dark for my skin, but like I can mix match it and apply it. And I don't know if it works, but I like Maybelline. Maybelline products always have worked for me.
So I don't know how it will work for me, but this इसका shade नहीं लिखा है. What's the shade? I don't know. Next is this. I love underarm roll-ons, but I used to use Nivea ka. But this time I've got it from Dr. Shades का केसर and kojic acid underarm roll-on.
AHA infused roll-on to control odor, sweat and fade pigmentation. I think I'm gonna love this product because I love post-shower skincare. That's why I use body mist. That's why I use underarm roll-ons and all of that. So I'm gonna use it. I'm sure.
So I'll just tell you guys how is this product. Next up is this beetroot face wash from Mama Earth. I'm not sure if I love Mama Earth. Few products from Mama Earth are nice, but few are very bad. I'm sorry, but that's the reality. So I have never used this face wash. So I guess I'll just give it a try, or else I'll read more reviews about this product and I'll just use it. I'll see what is it, how is it. Next up is this Pilgrim ka Squalene moisturizer with niacinamide and vitamin C. I think ये सारे brands were involved in this Glam Up Fest. Fit Me, Maybelline और Pilgrim, इन सब का store भी था वहाँ पे, stall था. I would have like gone there, but I was too tired by the end of the event. I just walked out. I was like, dude, I'm done. I just need to go home. Pilgrim and another product from Maybelline, which is this eyebrow pencil, and I guess you guys must have used this. One is this Arata hair fix stick. You've seen that कि frizz को बिठाने के लिए it's a mascara kind of. I'll just show it to you. It's like a mascara for hair. It's a clear thing, and whenever like frizz comes up, see like this, if this frizz is coming up, I just need to do this and it will settle down. It's like a liquid wax, I guess. It works fucking crazy. It works like magic. So this is Arata hair fix stick for y'all.
It costs rupees 3.99 it says, and you can find it online. ARATA. I'll just show it to you in case you want it. Hair fix stick anti-frizz gel applicator with biotin. Their Instagram is arata.in. I'll just put it in the description box down below so that you can find it and you can shop it.
Last product from this haul is this really cute teeny weeny eyeshadow, which is again from Maybelline, and it's like a pigmented eyeshadow.
And I can't open it. It's not opening.
Finally in life, I have managed to open this eyeshadow. Wow, I love the pigment, yeah, dude. See, there's a pink pigment. Oh wow, it's so glittery. Another one is green.
Green is also pigment. They both are metallic eyeshadows. Here you go.
This little cute eyeshadow from Maybelline India. Okay, so these are all the products that I got from Flipkart Glam Up Fest, and I will be making review video very soon for all of these products. Revlon का बनाऊंगी because Revlon has like given me so much makeup. I need to review this. I need to use Revlon, and I'll review Just Herbs, I'll review Biotique, I'll review every brand that I have got. Just this was video dedicated to show you all what all I have got and how was my experience. So I'll just tell you about my experience. As soon as I entered the event, it was like it's like living one of your dreams. It's like living one of your manifestations. You just see influencers around. That's it. Someone is clicking pictures, someone is taking out their content, photographers are running behind, and it was like I was like, oh my god, I used to manifest this, and here I am. Experience was too good, but I was too tired by the end, or else I would have like been there a little more or a little more longer and would have enjoyed the event. But I was there for like 2 or 3 hours maximum, and this event happened in Geo World Drive Conventional Center in BKC. So, and I was invited by an agency जो लोग मुझे collaborations देते हैं, and they brought me this invitation. They told me like, you have to go, you have to cover the event and all of that, and I went.
This is all that I have got from the event, and I'll just post a review video very soon, don't worry about it. So yeah, that's all the products that I have got from this Flipkart Glam Up Fest, and I was so overwhelmed. I was feeling so grateful. Wow, my god, I used to manifest this and it's happening. So yeah, and that's all I would like to say, and that's all with this video. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will be making more such videos for y'all, and do not forget to check out my previous videos on this channel. If you like the content, please subscribe karke jana yaar. And yeah, that's it.
And I hope you love my content, and if you have any suggestions for me, you can let me know in the comment section down below. You like something or you dislike something, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll work on that. I'll bring such content for you all, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, here's my Instagram, if in case you want to follow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and coming till here and listening to me, what all I've got, and listening to my all the stuff. This really means a lot. So yeah, please keep coming back and hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be coming back with a new video very soon. Till then, please take care. I'll see you very soon. Bye.